Well, remember that number 8 video that I left off and I had to stop because I broke my valves on my unit. The replacements have come in. So here's the replacement valves. This is what they look like. This is the part number, RSMANK8. So if you ever need to get your new valves, have them sitting on your shelf so the day you need them, you already have them. This is what they look like. And what I also got to review later on, I got a new by Tracerline, the good flashlight I said with the 3 purple bands. I got their new updated one. I don't know if it's any better, but I ordered, but it was back ordered. It was supposed to come with these. These are really cheap. This was like $11.99 and I think this was $5.99. And the reason I got these ones was because the shipping, I didn't pay enough. The other one was like $90 or $88. And the company I bought this from, Summit Racing, if you paid over a certain amount, you bought so much, you got shipping for free. Otherwise it was going to be like $11 or $15. Well, for the price of these 2 lights was the cost of shipping if I only bought the one light, the UV light. So I bought these and got shipping free. So basically I can consider these free. $11.99, $5.99. And then I guess soon I will be catching up on making this video for the field piece. That's it. That's a short update for now.